for the Philippines.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places.
I am pretty much all packed. On our way to the airport, and it's National Terminal. Bro, we can't find Kyla. Send home. We'll get some food before our flight, our 15-hour flight, and bro, I love this song.
Are y'all sitting down?
Blood?
Hello, everyone.
Chilling. Like a villain.
Because they're eating 3.4.
I'm not gonna lie, this is not the best sandwich I've ever had in my life.
People who say no for an answer and I don't take no. I want it.
Cheers to our trip.
Yeah. Don't leave me. Baby, come back.
We are boarding. We have made it to our seats, and now we are about to take off in just a few here. Ended up getting a seat next to each other.
Kind-hearted.
Kind-hearted.
Filipinos.
You guys, this is the most stressful airport I've ever been to in my entire life. Kevin's stressing out that we're gonna miss our flight, and then I was like, there's no way.
It's a lot more blue.
Bro, the building is... This is Kyla, everyone. Look at that hair.
Get me out of this plane, man.
Desiree, are you excited?
So excited.
How excited? And look
straight.
at this cool guy's outfit.
Finally made it to customs. They're about to go through our paperwork. And as you can see, Rika Tang over here crushing it.
Bro.
You know, hasn't showered in 24 hours, still looking like a bee. We got Kevin Cox, Mr. Cox.
Look how big my backpack is. Guys, we made it. How do you feel? So we just got to the hotel and we all showered because we all stank from the 15-hour flight. So now everyone is looking a little better. Let's see your fit. What are you wearing?
Oh, you know, we got...
Okay, and then there's Kevin. There you go. That's his fit. And then Desiree. Oh, she's ready. We're going down, down, down. And we're number one in a million. Wow, we should be in a band. Little seashell.
Let's go.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Guys, I'm so tired. Oh, I'm going to the hot tub. My body's aching so bad.
Yeah, Rika's like with or without you.
Good morning, everyone. It's our second day here. This beautiful view, and to grab some breakfast.
Via Francisco. Yes. Yeah, Francisco's the best. He's the best. He flies. He drives fast. He's a good man.
Yeah.
Come get your tour from Francisco, okay? So that's the room that's ready for you now,
Perfect.
ma'am.
Thank you,
It's ready
thank
to
you.
11.
Yeah.
And then
Espresso machines on here. The We did. You guys, I got myself some mangoes. I'm super excited to try it. Actually, my friend got it for me, but I'm gonna cut it. Hopefully it's sweet. Knife is not it. So bomb. Oh my god, we just got done getting a massage and it felt amazing. Oops. I'm so nervous.
Watch it, Missy.
This guy has been the biggest support. I'm so excited. Isn't it weird that it's been 18 years?
It's kind of weird. Only.
Oh man.
We can't even get into the... We can't even...
I think it's not.
Oh my god. She got so...
It's not yours. That's why it's not working.
Oh my... I'm so nervous. Wait.
I don't want to splash my.
Wait, you don't have a mask on.
Cry.
I might cry.
Okay.